Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Today's video is going to be a decor, well, a fall decor haul. I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Michael's, I went to Target, I went to TJ Maxx. I've been all over the place. I'm sad because the Target where I live, they don't have fallout, so I just got one thing from there. So let's start with Hobby Lobby. So the first thing I got from Hobby Lobby is just this guy that says hello fall. And yeah, I searched high and low last year for this little sign, and of course I couldn't find it. It was $3.99 and 40% off. And usually I don't buy fall stuff from Hobby Lobby on their 40%, 50%. I usually wait till, you know, it's like 75, 80%, because that's just me. But I really wanted that, and I also wanted these pumpkins. So it's just the buffalo check pumpkins. Let me see if I can bring it up for you guys so you can see a bit closer what they look like. This was regular price $9.99, 40% off, and I thought that was a really good price for 2, 4, 6, 8 pumpkins. So not bad at all. Next up is something that I made. I still have to finish it, but I figured since I'm in fall and I'm gonna be using it for fall, I would show you guys this. I made this myself for my kitchen to put tea towels on. I still have to finish staining it and stuff, but I had leftover wood from a project that I did in my bathroom, so I just figured why not make a tea towel blanket, a tea towel ladder. Oh, can't even speak. Next up from Michael's, I got a bunch of stuff. So hold on a second. So first up, it's not really fall related. You can use this whenever you want to use it, and it's just this mercantile sign, and I bought it to go in my kitchen. So yeah, this was on clearance, 80% off. I don't even know how much I paid for it, but yeah, I got that. Next up is this sign. Okay, so next up is this sign. It's originally $10 from Michael's, and they had it 50% off, so I paid $5 for this. And it just say fall, sweet fall, and I want to put it over top of my stove in my kitchen, so I got that. Then I got this pillow that says gather, and it has all the colors that I'm using for fall. So it has a little bit of this forest green, and then it has the burnt orange and a little bit of brown and stuff like that. So that's the colors that I'm using for fall this year, so I just got that. And then from Michael's, I got all my foliage or floral or stems, if you may. So I got 2 of these, and I just think these are really, really pretty for fall. I love the amber color that are in here, and then I also love the muted orange right here, and then also the light yellow right here, and I love it. Love these. I'm gonna go back and pick up a few more, but I'm waiting. These were originally $10. I hope you guys can see that. Come on, be nice. I can't see it. But these were originally $10, and it was 50% off, so which made them $5 a piece. And then I had an additional 20% off, which the cashier was trying to tell me that it didn't work on fall floral because it was a doorbuster deal or something, but they gave it to me anyways. So I don't even know how much I paid for that guy. Next up are these, so stinking cute. These were $6, and half off of that is $3. So I paid $6 plus the 20% off for these, and it just has the burnt little orange, and then it has that green that I'm going for. So I love these. There go my toddler. Hi. Hi. Toddler. Shh. I'm recording. Shh. And then next up are these roses. I love these roses. Yes, baby. Okay, hey, give me a second. I love these roses, and they can't see you. Come, come, come. She wants to show you guys something. What are you showing them? Oh, Play-Doh. She's a YouTube baby. She was born on camera. She was conceived not on camera, but you guys were here from the beginning, so forgive her if she likes to share everything with you guys. So she has her little doll babies in here. Why? Her little figurines, I meant to say, are in here. She's making a mess. Can you take this outside? Thumbnail. Actually, no, we should do this one. Thumbnail. Thumbnail. So anywho, go play outside. Like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the toddler, but did she just give y'all the finger? She was like, 1 second. But I got these roses right here, and they're really, really cute. I just love them. So I got that. And then next up, did I tell you how much these were? These were $10, so $5 and an additional 20% off. And then I got this guy. He was $6, half off, 3 and an additional 20, and it just looks like that. And I love the colors of these. I love it. There go that forest green again that I'm trying to bring in. And then next up are these. I paid these were $8 off, so $4. And I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 of these, and I know exactly where I want to put these. So pretty. And then I think that's it for floral for my living room. I'm gonna do it in sections, so make sure you're following me at TheAlbornozareGrowing, all one word, on Instagram, because that's where I will post pictures. Next at Target, I only got one thing, and like I stated, they don't have their fall stuff out, but I got this cream blanket. I kind of have to like block the light that's coming from that window, but you guys, seriously, like turn that a little bit for me, sweetie. Just a little bit, I'll tell you. Right there. Perfect. But you guys, look at this. Look at this. So this is going to be my throw blanket for my couch. I have to find another color. So for my bedroom, it's going to be a whole different color. I'm thinking a mustard yellow for my bedroom. And I think downstairs I'm going to keep just these color, because I wanted to go more traditional, but not so traditional, if that makes sense. So I got this guy, and I just love the little tassels on here. So pretty. So that's the throw blanket. And then next up, I needed 2 orange pillows to so I paid, I forgot, I paid $30 for this blanket. So expensive, but hey, I needed it. And $19.99 for 2 packs of orange pillow. And I love the texture on here because I wanted to bring a little bit more texture in the sofas. So that's what, and I'm only decorating this sofa. The sofa behind me, I'm just gonna leave it as is because it's way too much money right now. And so this was from TJ Maxx, and $20 for 2 pillows. Honey, can't go wrong. And they're 18 by 18, I believe. So that's that. And last but not least, last but definitely not least, are these. So these are the Raiden salt and pepper jars, and these are gonna go on my tier tray. Look out for a video for that. I think I'm gonna show you guys how I style my tier tray, and I'm also on the hunt for a tier tray from Target, the black one, and then also the wood one for my bathroom. So hopefully I can get my hands on that because I want to decorate the master bathroom. So I think that's everything that I purchased for fall for my living room. Look out for another video for my dining room, and also for my kitchen, and also for my master bedroom. And I've been saving up money for this, so it's not like, you know, it's coming out the budget, but anywho's, that's neither here nor there. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.